Hi there, it's Dawn Whalen. Happy Friday. Hope you are enjoying the sunshine. It's a little cold today, but at least the sun's out, so that does make it better. We haven't done a video in a couple of weeks. We have been busy working with our buyers and sellers and just frankly have not made the time to do a video, but we promise we will be working on that so that we do continue to bring you some information. We want to be more consistent with this, and we are going to strive really hard to do it, even though we do not like video. But we're going to do that for you anyway. So what we have coming up tomorrow, Saturday, February the 9th, I'll be presenting a home buyer education presentation at INHP, the Glendale Homeownership Center. There will be approximately 50 future homeowners there. So if you're interested in finding out about INHP, how they can help you become a homeowner, please reach out to me, let me know, and I will connect you with the appropriate person. On Sunday, February 10th, we'll be doing an open house at 416 North Bancroft on the east side of Indianapolis, just a couple blocks west of the Irvington line, you would say. 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath on a brick street, one of the few remaining brick streets in the Indianapolis area. So stop by, take a look at the home. Let us know what you think. We are giving away a $25 AMC gift card. All you have to do when you come in is do a quick survey, let us know what you think of the house, and you'll be registered to win that gift card. We'll give that away on Monday. Next week, you will see a video from Nathan. As you may remember, he is building a home, he and his family. And today he is shooting a video. I believe they are out in Greenfield, Indiana today, looking at countertops, granite countertops. So he will shoot a video so that you can see the different variations of granite, what you can get, the different styles. If you're interested in the building process, he is a great resource. Just follow his blog, nateknowsrealestate.com, or you can read the postings each Wednesday on our business page. That's all we have going right now. Let us know if we can help you in any way. We would love to be able to serve you. You can reach us at 317-222-6112. That is the office number. You can also go to our website, whalenrealtygroup.com, or you can reach us individually. You can reach Nathan, 317-529-3457, or you can reach me at 317-459-5182. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend, and we will talk to you next week. Have a great one. Bye-bye.